missing out on. This is really amazing, really amazing. So I just want to say a big thank you to Jesus. Thank you to Jesus for this great achievement. At some point, I almost gave up on this challenge, truthfully speaking. Then I remembered the word of the Lord that says in Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3, it says, do it may tarry, but it shall surely come to pass. So, oh my God, this is amazing. This is truly amazing. So thank you so much, Dr. Sam Ava. Thank you to the One Big Club. Thank you to Ziba for keeping your word on this challenge. This is so amazing. Now this is the polo that came with the whole package. You can see it boldly written there. The online 1K Club. This is truly amazing. And I also want to say a very big thank you to my mom. My mom has been so amazing throughout my process and my journey online, through the support, the help, everything.